Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing Humankind, a Hopeful History by Rutger Bregman, and honestly, this book completely shifted how I see the world. We have all heard that humans are naturally selfish or violent, right? Well, Bregman argues the exact opposite. He says that deep down, people are actually good, and the craziest part, he backs it up with real stories and research. One part that really stuck with me was about how during disasters people don't panic or turn on each other, but they help. It's the opposite of what we expect, but it's true. Bugman dives into history, psychology, and even survival stories to show how kindness and cooperation are at the core of who we are. Now, I won't lie, this book challenges a lot of what we have been taught, but it's refreshing and honestly made me feel more optimistic about the world. So, if you're tired of the doom and gloom, this book feels like a breath of fresh air. Seriously, I recommend giving it a read. You can grab your copy from Amazon, the link is in the description, or if you prefer listening, there is the Audible trial down there too. Trust me, this one is worth it, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.